Whenever we have an unseen image, also called as the novel image, first of all we filter this novel image using the same filters from which this text on dictionary was generated. So these are the filtered responses. Um, well, in these filtered responses, we have the output corresponding to each and every single filter that we have, to each and every single pixel that we have. Now, the next thing is that uh, we have to find the correspondence between every filter response to the words which are available in the dictionary. So let's say if we have a dictionary of 30 words, let's say every filter responses, every filter response that has been obtained from the filtered output can correspond to one of the 30 words that we have in the text on dictionary. We find that one-to-one correspondence. Okay, so effectively what happens is that let's say if we have a 500 by 500 image, then um, we'll obtain a text on map having a resolution of 500 by 500. But in this text on map, the values that we'll be having for every single pixel, that it will range from 1 to 30 corresponding to the words in the dictionary. Okay, now how the distance of one word from a pixel is calculated? It is calculated using the Euclidean distance. For example, this is a measure that can be used. Probably some other measures can be used, but in this case we are using the Euclidean distance. So every pixel response is the difference of every pixel, every filter response at every pixel is calculated from all the words in the dictionary, and the word that is closest to this pixel in the dictionary, that word is assigned that particular map. So in the text on map we have values ranging from 1 to 30. Okay, now if we have this text on map, we can generate a histogram from this text on map. This histogram will be having 30 bins since we have 30 different words in the dictionary. So in the first bin we'll be having a count of the number of pixels that we have in the that correspond to the first word in the dictionary. Then we'll be having in the second bin we'll be having a count of all the words of all the pixels which are corresponding to the second word in the dictionary, and so on. So we can generate a histogram from this text on map. Once we have the histogram, we can apply different machine learning algorithms, for example, sort of classifier, in order to classify the image, the novel image that we have. So this is how the text-on based features work. At the end of the day, we have a histogram, and using that histogram, we have the ability to classify, to run any classification algorithm.